Hi guys, it's your girl Touched by V, and I'm going to show you how to get from this teeny weeny afro to a ponytail, a little goddess ponytail. So stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, baby, acknowledge them nice curls, okay? Anywho, want to go ahead and blow dry your hair completely. You don't have to straighten it, just blow dry it. Next, I am sectioning out my baby hairs just to go ahead and get them out the way. Sometimes if you wait too late, you brushed up some more baby hairs and you could have been using it. So you just get your baby hairs out the way. Second or third, whatever, I always use Shine Jam, got my rubber bands, and I section my hair off half and half. So I like to put jam layer by layer and comb up my hair. Layer by layer, guys. That's one of the vital things when it comes to sleek anything. You have to do layers. So yeah, you'll just see me doing this for a good bit of time. I do this to the front and the back, and I don't like to do thick sections either. I somewhat like to do thick but thin kind of sections, and those that have thicker hair, you might want to do thinner sections when you do your layering. But this is definitely how you get a really good mold. It keeps it sleek, keeps it from not having those hair bubbles in it, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna spray it with some Got2b at the end just to work as a shield. It's the Got2b spray, not the Gorilla Glue. I love using men's wave brushes. I don't know why, but I love using that on my hair. So you just see me brush the back of my hair up. So next I will go ahead and do the exact same thing with the front. Okay, so I'm almost done brushing. After I brush, I will get one of those large black rubber bands, not the small ones, and you will see that up next, and that's how you form your ponytail. Okay, so after you get lit and excited about having your smaller ponytail, you're going to go ahead and spray the entire thing again with the Got2b spray. Layer by layer. I'm putting more gel on it because I just need it. I know y'all seen those little hairs sticking out in the background. So I'm just taking the comb and just finishing up, closing any little gaps. Okay, so I went ahead and put it in a bun. So now I'm going to attach my clip-on ponytail. So it's important that you get a clip-on. Some people, I don't know, but that just works better for me with my little ponytail because I can make it as tight as I want. You can loosen it up when you need to without having to take any bobby pins out. So it's really cute to me. I got it from the hair store, y'all. It was like $7. So there you go, a $7 hairstyle, and nobody ever knows. Nobody would ever know that that's not mine. Disclaimer though, I got the wrong color. I definitely got the wrong color. And I noticed that before when I opened up the pack and I held it to my head. But you can't tell. So those are fuzzies in the back. I know y'all see that, kind of towards the back of my head, which is why I went ahead later on and wrapped it up. But so for my edges, I like to use Eco sometimes because I know Eco gives it a stronger hold. Got2b gel, the black container, the black tube, that gives me a stupid strong hold. But if I didn't want nothing so strong, because my hairstyle probably was only going to last a few days, I went ahead and used the Eco. And now I'm just inserting bobby pins everywhere. just to help keep those curly strands from falling down. Yeah, because I like to sit high in my car, and every time I have a bun, it likes to scrape the top of the car for some reason. So as y'all can see, I'm now swooping my edges. The best advice when it comes to edges is use your finger as a guide to hold your edges down, because sometimes they like to do what they want to do, and nah, you do what I say. So that's one of my favorite brushes. I like the brush without the comb on the back of it. I don't know why, but anywho, swoop, swoopity, swoop, 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 and you just keep swooping until you get the swoop that you like. Okay, so there it goes. It's coming into form. I gotta fix that last little string right there, but that's it. And like I said, I had to wrap my hair once I was finished, just to put the scarf down to lay those little flyaways. But y'all tune in, because I'm dropping bombs all 2021. So thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.